Hey YouTube, what's going on? Pentex Gardener back here. And I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing, everything's looking good. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And as you seen in the last video, you seen I got one harvest of banana peppers. So I'm happy about that. It's just one. Like the lady said in the video, any harvest is a good harvest. So we're about to harvest these red potatoes. Not all of them, just the ones that have died. Let's see what we get so far. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna sit y'all down. Let's see what we get. I don't have no tools. Head on. Sit the camera right here. I just hold it.